I started reviewing after lunch ng November 13, that was around 2 p.m. hanggang around 9 p.m. And then the next day, I took the exam.
So, less than a day ka lang nag-prepare?
Yes,
Parang, oh my
to be
goodness.
honest.
And this is your first time taking the PTE?
Yes. Hi, I'm Camille and I'm from Baguio City. I took the PTA exam for further education, further studies in Australia. And I have the overall score of 90 thanks to English Charlie. Ang dami ko actually napuntahang review bago ko napadpad ng English Charlie. The other two, tinanggihan nila ako kasi sabi nila kailangan daw 1-month training or at least 2 weeks training, yung mga ganun. Kasi sabi ko, saan ako maghahanap ng review na papayag ng ganun kabilis. Actually, nagsiscroll down ako sa Facebook, tapos napadpad ko, uy, English Charlie. Tapos ang nakita ko pa, I think this was this, Carlo, yung 2 days lang nag-aral. So sabi ko, pasok sa akin to. Kaya nag-message ako kaagad. Pagkabigay sa akin nung quick sprint video, hindi pa ako nag-start din actually kaagad. Ang ginawa ng husband ko, kasi hindi talaga ako nag-aaral agad-agad, schedule na ako ng exam. Schedule niya ako November 11. Tapos yung November 11, pahili-hili pa ako. Hindi ko pa masyado inaano kasi sabi ko baka kaya. Tapos I started reviewing after lunch ng November 13. That was around 2 p.m.
What?
Hanggang around mga 9 p.m. And then the next day, I took the exam.
Grabe, less than 24 hours. Actually,
Yes,
afternoon
so
ka na nga nag-start.
while I was watching yung mga, di ba, per section yun. So, habang nanonood ako, may notebook na ako, tapos ginajot down ko lang yung tips na binibigay mo. So, tip number 1, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, after that, nireview ko lang lahat ng tips. Don't stutter, speak straight, don't think about grammar, dire-diretso lang. Basta alam mo yung confident lang na. Pero at the same time, make sure na kahit paano yung content mo may point, di ba? And then the next day, my exam was scheduled 2 p.m. Morning ng exam ko, nag-mock test ako. So, minock test ko yan ng morning. Tapos sabi ko, okay, ready na ako ng 2.
Pwede mo ba kami i-walk through, ma'am, dun sa naging exam mo?
Yung tips na binigay ng English Charlie, hindi siya basta tips lang. Ano siya talagang pag pinakinggan mo yung tips na binigay niya, ang laki ng help. Pati yung template, yung 3 speakers are talking,
Yes.
tapos you have to retell it. Parang sinundan ko lang talaga yung template na binigay niyo. Bahala na ko anong pinagsasabi ko, kung sinabi ba ni speaker 1 yun, or ni speaker 2, or ni speaker 3, bahala na. Basta sinundan ko yung template na binigay niyo. And then another is yung essay din. Yung 270 words, 290. Sinundan ko lang din yung template niyo. Tip ko lang, even though you know how to speak the language, mahirap din yung maging sobrang confident din. Oo, kasi kung ako, confident naman ako, tapos nag-exam ako without the tips na binigay ng English Charlie, feeling ko hindi ako uubra. Oo, so you really need to find the right source of help. And I think, ito nga, the quick sprint video answers it all. Blessing in disguise, na kaka-scroll ko sa Facebook, nakita ko yung isang ad yun about English Charlie. Tapos nung binuksan ko, sabi ko, ito na, I think this is it na, yung quick sprint video. Tapos after the exam, ang pinaka-in-anxiety ko naman is the result. Oo,
Gano'n
kasi
katagal nga? Nag-antay?
nag-exam ako ng Friday, lumitaw yung result ng Sunday morning. Scroll sa Gmail, refresh. Tapos yung nag-pop up na your PTE results are now available, yun na yun.
Congratulations po, Miss Camille.
Thank you.
Na-surprise na ako sa score mo kahapon. Na-surprise pa ako sa kwento mo ngayon.